Who doesn't dream of having glowing skin? It's a universal desire, a beauty aspiration that transcends age, gender, and lifestyle. That radiant, healthy glow is often seen as a sign of vitality and wellness. But in our fast-paced, high-stress world, achieving that luminous complexion can seem like a daunting task. You might think that it requires extensive beauty routines or expensive products. But what if I told you that the secret to glowing skin might already be in your kitchen or garden? Nature has bestowed us with a treasure trove of ingredients that have the power to transform our skin. From common spices to everyday fruits, these natural elements possess potent properties that can help us achieve the radiant skin we all covet. And the best part? They're all readily available and incredibly easy to use. Achieving that coveted glow might be easier than you think. Let's dive into some effective home remedies. Have you ever thought of your kitchen spice rack as a treasure chest for skincare? Well, it's time to see turmeric in a new light. This vibrant yellow spice, a staple in many kitchens, is a secret weapon for skin health. Turmeric is a superstar ingredient that can give your skin a healthy, radiant glow. It boosts collagen production, the protein that helps keep your skin supple and youthful. But that's not all. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties help calm your skin, reducing redness and irritation. And did you know it's also a powerful antioxidant? It fights off damaging free radicals, protecting your skin from premature aging. Now, let's talk about how to harness the magic of turmeric. It's simple. Mix some turmeric with honey or yogurt to create a face mask. Apply it evenly, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse with water. Now, doesn't that sound like a golden ticket to radiant skin? Next up in our natural beauty arsenal is virgin coconut oil. This tropical treasure is a powerhouse of skin-loving properties. It's not just an oil, it's a cocktail of anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and healing properties. These traits make it an ideal companion for your skin, helping it to be strong, resilient, and naturally glowing. So how do you harness the power of virgin coconut oil? It's simple. Before you hit the sack, gently massage a bit of this golden elixir onto your face. Make sure to cover all areas, from your forehead to your chin. Then let it work its magic as you drift off into dreamland. This overnight treatment allows the oil to deeply penetrate your skin, replenishing its natural moisture and healing any damage. And what do you wake up to? Skin that not only feels strong and healthy, but also looks beautifully radiant. So go ahead, embrace the power of virgin coconut oil and let your skin glow like never before. Another natural gem for glowing skin is aloe vera. This humble plant, often found in many backyards, is a powerhouse of skin-loving properties. With its ability to improve skin elasticity, aloe vera can help keep your skin firm and youthful. But that's not all. It also aids in healing damage, making it an excellent remedy for sunburns, acne scars, and other skin irritations. Now let's talk hydration. Aloe vera is like a tall glass of water on a hot day, but for your skin. It provides deep, lasting hydration, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. So how do you use it? It's simple. Extract some fresh aloe vera gel from the leaf and apply it directly to your face. Let it work its magic for about 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing it off. In a nutshell, aloe vera is like a refreshing drink for your skin. Now let's talk about some lifestyle factors that can contribute to glowing skin. First and foremost, hydration. You've probably heard it a million times, but drinking plenty of water is crucial for healthy, radiant skin. Hydration from within helps to flush out toxins, maintain skin elasticity, and give your skin a natural glow. So remember to keep a bottle of water handy and sip regularly throughout the day. Next on the list, nutrition. A balanced diet plays a pivotal role in skin health and complexion. Incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats into your meals can do wonders for your skin. Foods rich in vitamins, especially vitamin C and E, and antioxidants help to combat free radicals, boost collagen production, and promote skin repair. So don't just feed your stomach, feed your skin too. And let's not forget about sun protection. The sun's harmful ultraviolet rays are one of the biggest culprits behind skin aging and damage. In fact, about 90% of skin aging is caused by sun exposure. So, whether it's sunny or cloudy, make sure to wear sunscreen daily. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen that protects against both UVA and UVB rays. And remember, reapply every 2 hours. But it's not just about slathering on sunscreen. Wearing protective clothing, like wide-brimmed hats and long-sleeved shirts, and seeking shade when the sun is at its peak can also help shield your skin from the sun's harmful rays. In essence, achieving that coveted glow is not just about what you apply on your skin, but also about what you put into your body and how you protect it. So stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, and shield your skin from the sun. Your skin will thank you for it. Remember, your skin reflects what you put into your body and how you protect it. Last but not least, let's discuss the importance of a good cleansing routine and stress management. A healthy cleansing routine is like setting a strong foundation for a building. It's a crucial step in your skincare routine that helps keep your skin fresh and radiant. But remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Each person's skin is unique, so it's important to discover a routine that suits your skin type. Regular cleansing helps to remove impurities and excess oil, allowing your skin to breathe and regenerate. It also prepares your skin to better absorb the nutrients from your skincare products or natural remedies. So, never underestimate the power of a good cleanse. Now let's shift gears and talk about something that often gets overlooked in skincare: stress management. You see, chronic stress can wreak havoc on your skin, leading to issues like acne, wrinkles, and even dullness. When you're stressed, your body produces more cortisol, a hormone that can disrupt your skin's balance. But don't worry, there are plenty of ways to manage stress. One effective technique is meditation. By focusing your mind and slowing down your breathing, you can help reduce stress levels and promote a sense of calm. Yoga is another wonderful tool for stress management. Not only does it help reduce stress, but it also improves circulation, providing your skin with essential nutrients. Other stress management techniques include deep breathing exercises, taking a relaxing bath, reading a good book, or simply taking a walk in nature. Find what works best for you and make it a part of your daily routine. And don't forget about sleep. A good night's rest is essential for healthy, glowing skin. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Your skin repairs and regenerates while you sleep, so make sure you're giving it enough time to do its job. Remember, glowing skin is not just about what you put on your skin, but also about taking care of your overall well-being. So you see, achieving glowing skin doesn't require expensive products. In fact, the secret to a radiant complexion often lies right within our kitchen cabinets. Today, we have explored a variety of natural remedies that can help you achieve that luminous glow you've always wanted. We started with the magic of turmeric, an ingredient that not only boasts of anti-inflammatory properties, but also aids in boosting collagen production. Then we moved on to the power of virgin coconut oil, a natural elixir that can keep your skin strong and healthy. Our journey continued with the wonder of aloe vera, a plant that provides deep hydration while improving skin elasticity. We also emphasized the importance of staying hydrated and maintaining a balanced diet full of fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. But it's not just about what you apply or eat. Protecting your skin from harmful sun rays is equally critical. So remember to wear your sunscreen daily. And let's not forget the significance of a good cleansing routine. Discover one that suits your skin type, and regularly cleanse to keep your skin fresh and radiant. And finally, we touched on sleep and stress management. Both play a vital role in maintaining skin health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep and manage stress through relaxation techniques like meditation or yoga. Incorporate these home remedies and healthy habits into your skincare routine, and you'll be amazed by the transformation of your skin. But remember, consistency is key. These remedies aren't a quick fix, but a lifestyle change for your skin's health. And one more thing, before you dive into these remedies, always perform a patch test to ensure your skin reacts well to the new ingredients. If you have specific skin concerns, don't hesitate to consult a dermatologist for personalized advice. So are you ready to embark on this journey towards healthier, glowing skin? Your radiant glow awaits. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey to discover the secrets of naturally radiant skin. I hope you found this guide helpful and inspiring. Remember, the path to glowing skin is not a sprint, but a marathon, and every small step you take contributes to the overall health and beauty of your skin. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more natural health and wellness tips. I would also love to hear from you. If you have any experiences or suggestions related to natural skincare remedies, or if you've tried any of the remedies we've discussed today, please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your input could be the valuable tip that helps someone else on their journey to healthier skin. And if you have any specific questions or need further information, don't hesitate to ask. I'm here to help, and I love interacting with you all. Stay healthy and happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep glowing and take care. Bye for now.
Harness the power of nature. Take the reins of your well-being. Welcome to Nature's Cure Indian Ayurveda, your trusted companion in your health journey. We simplify the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda, providing practical guidance to help you attain your health aspirations. Remember, good health is not a destination but a journey made less arduous by the potent remedies nature has to offer. Each herb, each root, each leaf holds the promise of wellness, and we're here to guide you in unlocking these natural secrets. So, whether you're a seasoned Ayurveda enthusiast or a curious novice, Nature's Cure Indian Ayurveda is your reliable resource. Subscribe and join our community of wellness seekers. Until we meet again, stay well, stay healthy, and remember, nature is your greatest ally. Let Nature's Cure Indian Ayurveda be your guide on this journey of health and wellness.